Alex is so sweet. He's like, not meaning to rush you, but can you move your car? He's mowing the lawn today, and he is just so sweet. What I did not vlog today is I overslept 2 alarms, and I had to get dressed really quick and go to the school for a meeting. So that was fun. This car beeps at me if I don't put my seatbelt on. I had canceled the order of the refrigerator yesterday because we thought we had fixed the one that we have, and it's still not freezing anything, so I reordered that last night. It'll be delivered on Saturday, which is like 2 days from now. This girl need help. Yeah, I know. Alright, so we got her nails trimmed. Now we're gonna go home and take care of everything else. She just doesn't let me do it at home, so I pay to get that done because she doesn't let me. The lady in there tells me it's the breed. You do good.
For example, if we're level 10, then we have 10 points.
Hello. So I just found my favorite place to mount this little camera. I'm using the Insta360 Go 3, and I can mount it on my air conditioning vents. Pretty cool. Thank you. Grab any of your school stuff while we're here?
Thank you.
You're good. Is that good for now? Oh. So look at, you got mini pops. I just love them. So they have these itty bitty Funko Pops, and they're so cute.